What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. I want to show you how to make the basic Chinese chicken stock in this video. But can't we just get the store-bought chicken stock for cooking Chinese dishes? Sure, you can. However, these chicken stocks are primarily made for Western dishes. It is similar with mirepoix such as onions, celery, carrot, with spices like bay leaves, thyme, parsley stems. It is great, but somehow it meets the requirement to produce authentic Chinese taste. You see, not many Chinese dishes are seasoned with thyme and parsley, right? So what's missing out are ingredients such as ginger, spring onion, which are universal in most Chinese cuisine. These chicken stock might be hard to purchase even in Asia, and that's why I decided to make it myself. So, without further delay, let's get into the details right now. The Chinese chicken stock is pretty simple to make. We use the chicken carcass to make the chicken stock in the restaurant because it is cheaper than the whole chicken or chicken meat. I've cleaned the chicken bone thoroughly and I've changed the water a few times and used a brush to remove as much debris as possible. And the goal is to get a clean stock. The giblets adds flavor to the stock, but it potentially makes it murky, and that's why I separate them from the bone and rinse with water before adding to the pot. Place the giblets and the chicken bones into the pot. Three to 4 slices of ginger and 3 stalks of spring onion. Then add water. Just enough to cover the bones. Bring it to a boil over high heat, and when it is boiled, reduce the low heat to simmer the stock for 3 hours gently. Use a slaughter spoon or a fine wire mesh strainer to occasionally remove the scum floating on top to produce a clear stock. There's not much scum because I've removed most of the debris and washed the bones thoroughly before I start to boil it. Now let's simmer it for about 3 hours and we'll come back later. 3 hours up, let's take a look. Well, the bone is so soft that it's virtually going to break up. So it's time to switch off the stove. Remove the bones with a pair of tongs. Put the bone in a wire mesh strainer. Some stock will drip down from the colander. Try not to press to extract more stock because it will break the bone and it will dirty the stock. After that, pour the chicken stock through the strainer again to catch the small bone pieces, the ginger, and the spring onions. If you want to make it really clean, let it pass through a cloth bag once more. Great, the Chinese chicken stock is done now. Store it in a glass jar. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. Or in the freezer-friendly container for up to 6 months. That's how to make Chinese chicken stock best to use to cook any Chinese dishes. It's basically the essence of chicken. There's no salt, there's no pepper. You can season it in any way later. It is very versatile. And if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, tap the notification bell, give me a like, and download the recipe that I have put it in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.